Oh yeah, look at that. Getting off the ship for perfect day at Coco Cay or Key, depending on where you're from. Let's go have some fun. Captain Jack's. Have a, next to Captain Jack's, have a water area park that is included. I don't know if you can see, but it's mostly for young children. And here's the continuation of the zip lines. They have a lot. Those are extra. There's the signage, and look, there it is, the entrance to the included water area for children. We'll keep going this way. This one is Skipper's Grill. This is also an included place that you can have lunch and a snack. Right here. And then the balloon ride is over there. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Let's keep going. Okay, over this way is the pool area. This is included. If you want to use the pool, nice, clear. Very empty still at 8:30 with 2 ships in. Right. There we go. Nice little thing. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And there's the lagoon.
Cabana.
Okay, there it is. There's the bridge. You can go across. Lots of chairs available still. If you want to rest in the sun. And hardly any footprints in the sand. And here we go. Here's the other place, Chill Grill on the backside of the island. This is also an included place that you can get lunch and a snack. Lots of seating, restroom, but that's where we're headed over here. Let's go. Yeah, and the place we like is the beach. With lots of cabanas, lots of places to sit right next to this area right there. That's the included snack shack. They have nice chicken sandwiches and mozzarella sticks, and they'll be open later on. You can always just go grab a snack. But here we go. Nobody's on the beach. Nice. Okay, let's go get a chair over there and enjoy ourselves. That's the snack shack. It's gonna be good to eat. They got the cabanas you can rent. Very peaceful, tranquil water, and lots of space yet because people have not arrived. Look at that. One of the best things is the mozzarella sticks at the shack. Enjoy. And you? Okay. Day's over. Back on the ship. Wonderful coastline. Yeah, That's a perfect day.